So in order to ensure that enforcement is done through technology-based enforcement and also evidence-based enforcement, the Transport Department along with the PWD, we have taken up this project to install AI-based traffic signals and cameras across the state of Goa. In the phase 1, we will be implementing it at 92 locations. I am very confident with this, there will be a lot more discipline on the roads that we can bring in.
जो modified vehicles होते हैं सर जो लाइसेंस एक्शन होता है
See, any kind of violation that is falling under the MV Act, regular enforcement drives are being done both by the traffic police as well as the transport department, and both are empowered to prosecute them immediately and levy the penalties, and we are doing it regularly. That's a continuous process.
Any concrete on the road and there will be less traffic.
Yes, so definitely KTCL is also a very important component in promoting road safety. They are making a lot of efforts to modernize their fleets. So recently KTCL jointly with the Corporation of Urban Department, they have submitted a proposal to Government of India to procure more electric vehicles to strengthen the public transportation system. Nearly 200 vehicles ka proposal has been submitted by the KTCL. So we are awaiting for a response and we are confident that there will be more electric vehicles in the state.
Sir, कई दफा ऐसा होता है?
As I said, enforcement के लिए अभी we are going to enforce this through electronic AI-based traffic signals. So in that, every kind of violation, even if there is a triple seat riding or if somebody is not wearing a seat belt, that also can be detected. All kind of number plate violations can also be detected by this.
Sir, what about black spots जो है उनको कम करने के लिए?
So the black spots have been identified by the PWD department and they have also initiated rectification measures in most of the spots. At this moment, exact details I cannot recall, but action taken has already been submitted. More details I can share.
Have you given any thought of imparting this kind of road safety related education since primary or a high school level to the students?
So it has been a recommendation to include it as a part of the school curriculum itself, and the Directorate of School Education and also the Higher Education both have been very proactive in organizing road safety training sessions and sensitization workshops across all schools. So it should be taught from the childhood level itself, and even when we are doing all these workshops, our focus is more to target school children. Thank you.
Thank you.
In terms of accidents, you said there's been a decrease.
Yeah.
What is the main cause of these accidents and what should be done? What is the message you want to give people?
See, most of the accidents are caused because of human errors in terms of driving, not driving with the discipline and not following basic rules or not wearing safety gears and helmets and all these things. I'm sure that with strengthened enforcement, what happens with the cameras is that they can work 24/7. So sometimes we cannot deploy the police personnel or traffic police or the transport department officials all throughout the day, 365 days. But with these cameras, we'll be able to do it throughout the day, and I'm sure that will bring in a lot more discipline in how we are driving on the roads.
सर जो अभी जो कैमरा जो इंस्टॉल
All the ITMS cameras which are installed under the Panji Smart City are functional. If there is any maintenance issue, we are rectifying it and we are resolving it. But most of the time, they are uptime and functional.